Hi, I'm Lorraine and I'm a mediator. When I meet people for MIAMS meetings, I'm often struck by how nervous they are when they first arrive, and I just thought it would be really helpful if I could let you know a little bit about what a mediation, information and assessment meeting, often called a MIAMS, actually involves. The nice thing about MIAMS meetings, it's an opportunity for you to have someone to talk to and explain your situation, who's not there to judge you or tell you what to do. In a MIAM, a mediator's job is to understand the situation from your point of view and also to give you lots of information that might be helpful. They will tell you what mediation entails, whether it might be helpful in your situation, and also what other options are available to sort out your dispute. When you go to a MIAMS, you meet with your mediator on your own, so the other person involved in your dispute isn't there. Your meeting, which lasts about an hour, can be done either in person or online. It is confidential, and with the obvious exceptions, of course, around children or vulnerable adults being at risk and serious crime or money laundering, those sorts of things, of course, we can't keep quiet. But other than that, anything that you tell us goes no further, and we don't feed it back to your solicitors or the court or the other person involved in your dispute. During the meeting, the mediator will tell you a little bit about how mediation works. They also ask you to tell them a bit about what the situation has been and what you feel needs sorting out. They'll ask you some questions about the history of the situation, whether you've got children and how they've been affected, and what the relationship between you was like and what it's like now. The reason for all these questions is so we can understand the situation from your point of view. We also want to work out if mediation is likely to be the best way forward for you and whether you will be safe and it will be fair for everyone involved. So it's important that you're really upfront with your mediator and tell them both about the situation and whether you've got any worries about mediation or talking to the other person involved. At the end of your meeting, your mediator will ask you what you'd like to do next. If you think mediation might be of some help, you can ask the mediator to contact the other person to say if they would like to consider mediation too. They will then have a chance to consider mediation just like you have. If you both feel mediation is worth a go and your mediator thinks it will help, they will arrange a joint mediation meeting for you both, which can be done either in person or online. You can even do shuttle mediation, where you don't have to talk face-to-face at all if necessary. And if mediation isn't the best way forward, your mediator can still help by giving you information on other ways that you can resolve your dispute and sources of help and advice. They can also sign your court form to say that you've considered or tried mediation, which you need if you want to apply to court. So use your MIAMS meeting to get information about your options and also to check that you have the right mediator for you. It's really important that you have confidence in your mediator. We're going to be helping you sort out some important decisions for both yourselves and for any children. I hope that's been of some help.